Hey guys, Tom here. So I just added a feature to the SSS50 channel, which will show you if there are potential threes or outside bars on other time frames. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to structure this yet because it can say potential threes, but the candle may have already gone outside bar. So I'm just testing this now, looking for some feedback. And while I was recording this video, this is my second attempt, I was watching XLK here when I was doing testing. XLK popped up, bull potential 3, multiple potential 3s on the 15, 30, 60, and week. So let's see what was happening on XLK. This is the 15-minute time frame. So this potential 3 went outside bar. Then the 30-minute, we got this candle. We got a potential outside bar that went outside. And so on the hourly for this alert, we got a potential outside hour alert, 209.73. So 209.73 is going to be right in the middle of this candle. So you get an alert at 209.73 and we are up at 210.42. Now this is not a huge move, but it is XLK. And then also we got a 4-hour potential outside bar that just triggered. So that was an alert that just came through XLK, 4-hour potential outside bar at 210.36.5 with magnitude to 211.07. That's not too bad for trading XLK. But hopefully that little additional piece of information on the alerts where it's telling you where there have been potential outside bars or outside bars just gives you an additional layer of confirmation. Let me know what you guys think. I'll play around with it. I'll be testing and probably changing things up a bit, but just wanted to share. All right, talk soon.